Hey guys, I made a macrame trim for this canister. You could also use it on a pot. My sister didn't want this anymore, so I revamped it. I spray painted it using matte clamshell. Then I made a trim using this cotton twine and 3mm macrame cord. I had scraps of 10-inch cords that I wanted to use up. Cut a cord to wrap around your container, and leave a little extra length at the ends. My canister was 17 inches in diameter, and I cut a 24-inch cord. Attach a 10-inch cord to the longer cord using a lark's head knot. To do this, fold the cord in half to find its center. Place it over the cord and bring the ends through the loop created. Take the 4 cords from the left and make a square knot. To do this, make a number 4 with the left cord over the 2 middle cords and under the right. Bring the right cord through the loop created and pull it tight. Then make a backwards 4 with the right cord over the 2 middle cords and under the left. Bring the left cord through the loop created and pull it tight. I wrapped it around my canister to see how much more cord I would need. I added 1 lark's head knot on the left side and 1 on the right. I ended up using 44 of these 10-inch cords for this canister. There should be enough room to tie a knot. Skip the lark's head knots at the ends for now. Take 2 cords from one square knot and 2 cords from the square knot next to it. Form a U shape with the twine and wrap it around the 4 cords. I wrap mine 4 times going down. Place the end through the loop created. Pull the top end so that the loop gets tucked under the wrap part. I tighten the 4 cords before securing the gathering knot and cutting the extra twine. I used 22 pieces of twine that were cut at about 8 inches each. Wrap the trim around your container and double knot it. Place the right cord over the left and pull it through the loop. Then place the left cord over the right and pull it through the loop. I hid the ends of the knot in the lark's head knots next to it. I'll cut these extra cords after making a square knot. I turned the canister over and made 2 more gathering knots to complete the pattern. Trim and comb it. The tassels were 1 1/4 of an inch. And here's how it turned out.